Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add music to your Facebook post. It's very easy to do, and now I'm going to show you how it works. To do this, you go to Facebook. Then you go down a little bit lower and click on your post. You add a new post. Then you just open up this window here, and you click on Music. Now you find any song that you want to add. For example, I choose this song. You can also add your caption for that song, and also add any photo from your gallery. You click right here and add it. You can edit it any way you like, and then you just click on the Post button. You click Post. It's posting. We wait a few seconds for it to load. Great. Our post is up. It has our song in it, and if we click on the music icon, it will play. With this video, you were able to add music to your post in a couple minutes. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.